Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about the commands related to Hadoop and as well as local file system and distributed file system. So first let me start with Hadoop FS. I want to copy a local file system file into the distributed file system. Let me check which are all the files available in the local file system with the command ls. I'm having lfs2 and as well as the lfs3 files. Okay. So now Hadoop FS, I want to copy from the local file system. Copy from local. What is the file name? LFS2. And I want to make it as Hadoop HDFS file, something like that. Okay. Now let us see that Hadoop FS -ls. So whatever the file just now we have created, it is there. So HDFS file. Now Hadoop FS-cat. What is the file name? HDFS file. Like that you can see. So which is used to copy the file. So what is the file? What is the command, friends? Hadoop FS hyphen copy from local file name and as well as the distributed file name. Okay. And thereafter I want to see the contents, means Hadoop FS hyphen ls within that particular Hadoop file system, which are all the files I am having, I can see. And thereafter we have seen how to get the contents of HDFS5, Hadoop FS-cat HDFS5. Now let me take one file from the HDFS and I want to copy it into the local file system. Okay. So for that, Hadoop FS hyphen copy to local, and I want to copy some HDFS2 to LFS4 or something like that. Some name, any file name, local file system. So HDFS2 will be copied into the LFS4. Now you can check Hadoop FS-cat HDFS2. This is the file, and similarly this particular file cat LFS4. Okay, so whatever the contents we're having in HDFS2, copied into the LFS4. Okay, we have done what we have done, like so just we have copied a file HDFS2 into the local file system into the LFS4, and we observed which are all the contents available, and we observed the content of the LFS4. Okay. So these things are used to copy from local and copy to local. Okay, getting the information from LFS to HDFS and HDFS to LFS. Now I want to move a file. Moving, friends, just I want to move a particular file into the HDFS. Okay, so let us see here. I'm having a local file system LFS234, like that. I'm having some kind of the files. Now I want to move the same file to HDFS. Hadoop FS hyphen move from local. What is the file name? Just I want to move LFS4 into any file name HDFS6, something like that. Okay, let us have a look on this. Now after moving this particular local file, it should not be there now. So ls, just to give ls, automatically it absorbs. So whatever the files I'm having, so earlier I'm having this LFS4, but now it is not there. So reason is we moved that file into the HDFS6. Let me show you what exactly there in Hadoop distributed file system. So this file is there, HDFS6. Okay, so now one more thing I want to try. Hadoop FS hyphen move to local, and I want to move this HDFS1 into some LFS4. LFS4 already there, LFS5. So have a look on this, friends. Hadoop FS hyphen move to local. Move to local means, move from local means whatever the local file system I am having, I want to move into the distributed file system. But this time I want to move a Hadoop distributed file system file into the LFS. Let me run this, what we are going to get. Okay, so observe here. There is no option so as to move the HDFS file into the distributed file system. I mean HDFS to local file system. So of course you can delete in the subsequent videos, you can see that, but importantly you need to observe that whatever the file I am having in HDFS, I cannot move that file into the local file system. Just to remember that, which is very important. And some other alternatives are also there, like Hadoop FS hyphen put file, friends. I want to put a local file system file LFS 3 into some HDFS like put. Okay, so putting a file from local to distributed. Now you see Hadoop FS hyphen ls, which will give the HDFS put. And similarly, I want to get the file. So get in the sense, I want to copy a file from HDFS to local. Put is something like copy from local. So here we are copying the appropriate local file system into the distributed file system. But if you are referencing the HDFS file into the local, for that I am using HDFS Hadoop FS hyphen get. I want to get HDFS 1, okay, into LFS get. Okay, so now you can observe here ls. So LFS get created has been created by the Hadoop. Okay, so this is what, how you can refer the concept of these things, and many other commands are there, friends, but these are all fundamental commands. Like we have used copy from local, and we have seen copy to local, and thereafter we have seen move from local and move to local. Anyhow it won't work out, and put command, and as well as the get command. Okay, so these are all the important things, and apart from these things we have seen ls and as well as the cat. All these things are the basic commands which you can make use with the help of the Hadoop distributed file system. Okay, thank you.